Hello, little friends! Today we'll learn about amazing reptiles. Let's explore together. This is a lizard. Lizards love to climb. This is a snake. Snakes slither on the ground. This is a turtle. Turtles carry their homes on their backs. This is a crocodile. Crocodiles are strong swimmers. This is a tortoise. Tortoises walk very slowly. This is a chameleon. Chameleons can change colors. This is a gecko. Geckos have sticky feet. This is a python. It is a very long snake. This is an iguana. Iguanas love warm places. This is an alligator. It lives in rivers and swamps. Great job! You learned many amazing reptiles today. See you next time!